Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the Last Coat's Black Ice. We're going to be looking at the hydrophobic properties of this product. Alright, so as I mentioned, we're going to be taking a look at the hydrophobic properties of the Last Coat's Black Ice. This is their ceramic spray coating. As you can see here, that's how much I've used. I've done 2 coats on a Dodge Challenger. You're going to see it in this video. You might have seen this video when I did it to the car. It has been 2 weeks now, so I gave it its full 7 days. The car is dirty. We're going to check that out. We're going to see the hydrophobic properties, how any kind of dirt or mud or anything on the car is going to wash off, how it sticks, self-cleaning, all of that great stuff with this product. Try to keep this video short for you guys. Hopefully this is going to live up to what I'm hoping for. I want to see some very nice beading and a very, very slick surface that all of the dirt and stuff will just basically rinse off, and then I can come in and do a contact wash, and then we'll check out the hydrophobic properties after the contact wash. So before we head out there and check out the hydrophobic properties of the Last Coat's Black Ice, remember to subscribe to the channel if you have not, ring the bell, turn on all post notifications. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Love chatting with you guys, whether it's about this product or anything else.
Alright, so coming in and taking a look at the paint. Like I said, this has been 2 weeks. You can see that it is dirty. It has been repelling the dirt. There has been some water. There is something in the middle of the hood, as you can see there. That one did take a contact wash to get it off. I'm not exactly sure what it was. And then just showing how this dirt is being repelled by the coating. Over here, I thought it was very interesting and cool. You can see how this mud has basically beaded up on the panel. I like seeing the mud being on the panel so we can see how it has been resisting that. But it is done very, very good. The car still looks extremely good. High levels of gloss. I'm very, very impressed with how it's looking. And we're just going to keep looking at basically how this dirt has been repelled by the product that is on the paint. And mud back on the back here. The same thing, you can really see how it is beaded up. The mud did not want to stick on the panel. And then coming around, taking a look at the driver's side, you can see that it is dusty. You can see that on the rear quarter and pillar. But the car still just looks absolutely phenomenal with this black ice on it. So now we're going to come in with the pressure washer, hit the hood. As you can see, right away, the water is extremely hydrophobic on the hood. It is washing away the dirt. As you can see, there's still the stuff in the middle of the hood there that is not just washing away. But the hydrophobics of this is absolutely amazing. For as much dirt and stuff that was on the surface, there was a lot of retention for the water, but it has very, very tight beads. Those beads look really, really nice with a very high contact angle of those beads on the hood. We're just going to go ahead and spray it again. I wanted to just basically kind of flood the surface out. As you can see, it is going to sheet, but as that water sheets and gets out of there, it will bead. But that panel will dry off very, very nice. I just absolutely love the hydrophobics. If you just mist it real light with some water like that, you're going to get a lot of beading. So if you're in some light rain or mist or anything like that, then you're going to see a lot of beading. But the beads you can see are just very, very small, very nice looking uniform beads on the panel here. Then we'll come in right here. As you can see, that mud literally just right when I hit it with the water, it blows right off. It took no effort to wash the mud off of this front fender. It come off with ease, so that mud did not stick to the panel because it is so slick underneath from this black ice, keeping it from sticking onto the paint, which is what you want to see out of a ceramic spray coating like this. Coming around to the back, we're going to go ahead and hit this with the pressure washer to get the mud off to show how easy it is. As you can see right here, it literally just peels the mud right off of the paint. Absolutely love the slickness and hydrophobics of this product and what it does for the paint for helping keep any kind of dirt, mud, debris off of the panel. As you can see there, it has come very, very clean, so that is very impressive. Over here on the driver's side, I'm just showing how dusty it is. This was something that was very, very cool to see. I hit it with some water real quick, and you're going to see tremendous beading out of this product. So just basically misting the panel. Look at all of those small, tight beads on the panel. That is like nothing I've seen before. Hitting it with that just light mist out of the pressure washer. But it's just absolutely astonishing and awesome to see the hydrophobics of this product. So I just wanted to speed this up, but I just wanted to show that I did come in to do a contact wash. I did this with a pH neutral soap, a soap that I use for a lot of just random washing that I do for any kind of cars that have any kind of protection on the paint. Something with hydrolubricity as well to keep from minimizing the scratches or swirls that you might induce onto the paint. But you can see that it is very slick. The water, the suds and stuff are just running off the panel. You'll also see when I rinse the hood here, how easily the soap just comes off, and you can see that beading. Once this panel's clean, that's when we are going to see the true performance and hydrophobic properties out of this black ice, because the surface is going to be clean and it's not going to have as high of retention from the dirt on it. So now that the car has been washed and rinsed, coming in and taking a closer look at these beads, this is what you're going to see when the car is clean and that dirt is off of the surface. The beads, as always, as I've been saying, they look really, really nice. The car washed extremely easy. You can see the high amounts of gloss and shine underneath the water, along with just all of the beading on the panel that I'm highlighting going over right now. You see some very, very tight, very uniform water beading, showing that this product is very good and it's very slick and it's got great hydrophobic properties. So now we're going to go ahead and grab the pressure washer, hit the hood, so you can see this water just blows right off the panel. You can see where it gets flooded, it sheets, and the sheeting just dissipates very, very quickly, leaving the surface dry behind. So overall, very, very impressed with this product. I love the performance that I'm seeing with the dirt, the mud, anything sticking to the surface, how easy it comes off, and then also how easy it is to wash and how it is repelling everything. Once it's washed, you can see that it, like I've been mentioning, it has so much gloss. It looks so good. All the panels here, very, very hydrophobic, very good looking. So overall, for the ease of use of this product, it is a great product. It is a great option. I absolutely love it. I have nothing bad to say about it just because of how easy it was to use and the results that you're seeing right here that we are getting out of it.
All right, so there's the water testing of the Last Coat Black Ice. To me, very, very impressive. Overall, that product is absolutely awesome. It is super easy to apply. Makes the car look great, as you saw, and the hydrophobic properties of it are definitely next level, and it is a legit ceramic spray coating. That stuff is awesome. The mud, I couldn't believe how it just basically just peeled it off because it was not stuck on the panel whatsoever. It's just an all-around great product. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing the hydrophobic testing, seeing the hydrophobics of that black ice, how good it is doing. Like I said, this has been 2 weeks. It had its 7 days of its full cure before it saw any chemicals. And then I had to wait a little bit longer because of weather with where I live. So that's why it was 2 weeks. Doesn't need to be 2 weeks, but I just had to wait. So I got the car all cleaned up. There is definitely going to be another video in store with the car. So stay tuned. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, turn on all post notifications so you don't miss a future upload. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below what you think of this product. Is this a product that you have used? Let me know if it is, your results that you have seen out of this product as well. But I want to thank you all so much for stopping and checking out this video, and I will catch you all in the next one. And until then, take care.
Shaka on the beats, 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 Shaka on the beats.